So question 10, a mixture of loam, peat, sand, and nutrients used as a growing medium for plants and containers. Fine, so why wouldn't we want to use just plain dirt?
Because it wouldn't have like enough nutrients in it.
Right, there's all kinds of special stuff, and sometimes regular like garden soil might be a little heavy. This has got like sand in it to let the water kind of percolate and it gets a little more air through the soil. All right, made of an anther and filament. A part of our angiosperm is this. Right, the stamen. Well, produce male gametophytes called pollen.
I clicked on the
So
wrong
where is the pollen made? Oh. Oh no.
one. I didn't pay attention to the spelling.
Oh no. Yeah, there's two STs. Well, nobody got it right. So it's in the anther.
Like this one.
And then this is just the stalk part that holds the stigma. It's got the tube in it that runs down to the ovary. There you go.
I did not know that that's what that was called.
Oh yeah? That was a good guess then. So, me one, me two is in second place. Or is that me also? Okay. So I have a worksheet for you guys. Then it's goes through all the different parts of the reproduction, parts of angiosperm. So we can use some of these. All right. So not all these are listed on your sheet. There's more parts actually than are listed. So the sepal are the outer parts of the flower, are often green and leaf-like that enclose a developing bud. So they'll be like way down at the base. Petals, you know what petals are?
There.
Pretty petals. All right. The pollen then is producing part of the flowers in the stamen. Usually a slender filament with that little anther on the top, that little part. All right, then the anther is where the pollen's actually produced. And it's kind of cool because it's at the end of that stamen, and it's really close to the stigma where the pollen goes down in to germinate that egg down in the pistil. So the pistil then is the female part of the plant, female part, gametophyte of the plant. And then the stigma and then the ovary is at the base of that style, where the tube runs down to. All right. So here you go. Here we have the basic parts. Here's the sepal part, because you know when you have a flower that's going to blossom, that's got that little bud down there, then you've got those the leaf parts over it, and it starts to open up before it blooms, right? So then it makes those little leaves when it opens up, and those are the sepals. So now on your sheets, I'm just going to have you use your vocabulary and what you studied already, and label the different parts of your flower, and then go through the different parts of the flow chart here. So we got the flower, we got the male side and the female side. All right, so for number 1, what's the big male part?
So it's not this big stigma.
No, it's the stamen.
Stamen.
Yep. So the stamen then is both of these. It's the filament and the anther put together. So right underneath that, you can see how it branches off. It's got filament in there for you already, so then we just